Hello, Curly Executive here. It is a beautiful sunny day, and I'm now in the north of Italy, in Rovereto. Behind me are these gorgeous mountains. If you check out my gelato, I'm pointing to them. And we're here to talk about another question on my Cash Money Questions worksheet. So I will take off these glasses for you so I can look you in the eye and ask you, what is something that makes your product special or unique? What is your differentiation, right? Differentiation is a term we talk about all the time. What makes your product special or unique? This gelato, for example. This gelato, this lemon specifically, is from Sicily. Every single flavor in that gelato store has where it's from, like these specific raspberries were grown in the region. This one's from Sicily. This chocolate is the best chocolate because it's from this specific place. Even when there is a piece or a point of differentiation that's maybe not unique to you, you should still call it out. These two happen to be vegan. That was listed there too. That being said, pretty much all sorbet is vegan. I may be wrong on that, but everyone I've seen is vegan, which means that it's not unique to this store, but she's still calling out, she's still trying to differentiate her product. So always think of, what is the thing that makes you special or unique? What is the thing that makes you more valuable to your customer? What is the thing that maybe fits a need? And even if it's a thing that maybe some other people have, start calling it out, start talking about it. If you don't have a differentiator, then you should think about it, because maybe there's something that you need to add, change, or tweak to your product to make that happen. So with that, I'm gonna go and finish this gelato. You think about your differentiator, you think about what makes you special or unique, and be sure to fill out your questionnaire. It is free, my Cash Money Questions, on my website, and check out YouTube because more coming. I'm gonna go back to my vacation now, but we are gonna chat. I will be back on YouTube once I am back in the United States. All right, ciao.